Hey ladies and guys, it's your stream Sherpa, Walter, here for Neo-Defective Gaming, once again giving you tips and tricks to improve your stream. Let's get into it quick because I have to go, I'm live really soon and I have 30 minutes to do it, so let's just get into it. It's the 5 tips to become Twitch affiliate faster than your average streamer and to continue building beyond this pathway marker. Your path to affiliate requirements are as follows. You need to reach 50 followers, stream for 8 hours, stream for 7 different days, and have an average of 3 viewers. This all has to be done within a 30-day period, but it's really easy if you follow these guidelines. Doing most of this actually almost covers what a path to partner is going to be. So it's just a small sample of what to expect. And you don't need to keep meeting these requirements once you get that email inviting you to affiliate. Once you're in, as they say. So here's your 5 tips, or your 5 stream commandments. Tip number 1, stream 3 days a week. Pick your most affordable days to give yourself time to stream, time to yourself, and time to create unique content. 3 days a week at 4 hours a day for 4 weeks, I would actually consider full time. So streaming for 8 hours within 7 different days actually goes hand in hand, because a typical streamer usually for at least 5 hours does stream a day when we do find time. To show you how easy it actually is within a month's time, let's say you stream 2 hours a day, 2 days a week for 4 weeks. That's 12 hours in 8 days. There's no rhyme or reason to what I just said. I'm just giving an example at how easy those 2 requirements are met. You should shatter those requirements rather handedly. That's the easy part. That's the 2 easiest requirements. Tip number 2, audio quality. I will stress this more than any other tip. Let's just make it mandatory from here on out. Whenever you tune in to Walter's stream representing Neo-Defective Gaming, it's mandatory. Believe it or not, but look outside of this video and I promise you, everyone from streamers to scientists will implore and advise you about audio being superior to video quality in videos or streams, in every hypothesis or study or test. I did a video on this as well to help you with your audio quality right up here. I would suggest your starting mic be a USB mic such as a Blue Yeti or Elgato Wave, and make sure your overall volumes are balanced so that you keep those viewers and followers rolling in. Trust me on that one. Tip number 3, interaction with your chat/community. Learning to speak to your audience might be my next video. Learning to speak to your audience during a live stream. As you mature during your streaming journey, you're gonna find people asking you questions and commenting or roasting you, and it's important that you keep responding to your chat and also saying their names, because people love recognition during a live stream. They love it. They eat it, they crave it. I mean, that's part of it. Whether it's saying their names or when they follow or sub or donate, or actually just chatting and you responding by saying their name, it shows the community your level and care to your craft. I see new streamers all the time with 3 viewers and forgetting to respond to the chat. It's crucial you keep up your level of interaction during the duration of a stream to retain the attention of the viewers. As you go on, you're gonna get better at this, all right? It's a skill, and you develop that skill like everything else in life, right? Teach a man to fish, and he'll eat a moose. Obviously, people that have 1.2K or even 300 messages at once, they're gonna respond to a select few. It's a given. But you're here because you have 1 to 3 average viewers. So say their names, laugh at their jokes, make them feel special. Tip number 4, content creation. Here's a question. How many viewers do you have when you stop streaming? 0, because you're at work or you're getting your you time, so you don't have to go crazy worrying about meeting affiliate requirements. I suggest that you get a TikTok or a YouTube channel to fill in the gap between the time you're streaming and the time you're not, which is why in tip number 1, I said stream 3 days a week. If you're not live, you're not interacting with your chat, and then you're not growing. If someone says to stream 7 days a week, or you think to take some kind of initiative to stream 7 days straight, well, what happens when you turn off slobs or just regular OBS or XSplit? You're limiting yourself by staying on one platform and not using all of social media to your advantage. Content is imperative to your growth. Twitch and YouTube and Facebook gaming are all forms of social media. You need to use it in all of its forms by creating unique content, not just loading your gameplay videos from Twitch to YouTube. It's just not how it works. You're not PewDiePie and you're not Markiplier. The content you want to use are particularly more like how-tos and I don't know, how not tos. Plus, you're building for the future to maximize your revenue using different avenues that allow you to retain an audience when you're not live. Streaming for 1 to 3 viewers, it's a step. It's a step we all get to. We all have to take that step, enjoy the journey. But streaming for 1 to 3 viewers and plateauing at 3, that's just playing video games. Tip number 5, consistency. Consistency is number 1, and it's why number 5, rolling out of the top, is most important, because you just gotta remain consistent, guys, all right? Make a schedule, stick to it. Stick to it like cement. Stick to it like white on rice, like glue, like syrup, like bees to honey. You get it, right? If you stream weekends only, then do it. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, do it. Don't deviate, because it's when your viewers will be there to catch you, because they know you're live without having to get that notification. People with the sense that their favorite streamer is live will tune in to wind down from a long day at work or a long day at school and spend time with you, probably lurking, doing their homework, or just doing stuff around the house, cooking, who knows, or even tuning in to see what you're doing different from every other streamer. Or maybe it even inspires them to do it themselves. You know what I love the most? When I get those first time, long time chatters. People that just tune in out of nowhere and say, first time, long time. I love it. It's the best. All right, folks. That's the 5 streaming commandments. That's 10. That's 5. I hope you like what you saw. Hit that sub button. Sub button should be down here. Don't forget to catch me live on twitch.tv/neodefective every Friday, Saturday, Sunday night, and sometimes Mondays. It's Walter signing out for Neodefective Gaming. Stay dirty, humans.